Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how can you create job ads using ChatGPT. If you are in a position where your role is to create job ads to hire new talents, then obviously you have to write a job description for that. And sometimes it takes time. So to solve this or to minimize time, I'm going to use ChatGPT here. And in around 30 seconds or maybe less than that, we will get a professional job description for a position. Let's say the company name is the name of the company is Alpha, and I want to hire new talent, a software engineer who has maybe 2 years of experience in, let's say, web development, and must have a bachelor degree as well, and yes, that's I want to mention in the job description. So let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, I want you to generate a job description for a company named Alpha. I need a we are looking for a web developer with 2+ years of experience and must have a degree in computer sciences. What else? Okay, we got education, we got the salary package will be, let's say, 50,000 to 210,000 USD per year, and yeah, that's it. So you can obviously change it according to your need. I'm going to hit enter. Is there anything else? I don't think so. Okay, let's see. Here is a job description for a web developer at Alpha. We are seeking a talented and experienced web developer to join our team at Alpha. As a web developer, you will be responsible for designing. Oh wow, I did not mention the responsibilities, but it did give me the about responsibilities as well. So we got responsibilities: designing, developing, maintaining web application for our clients. The ideal candidate will have at least 2 years of professional experience in web development. And then there are key responsibilities, qualifications. I mean, this is amazing tool. Like, it also include the HTML, CSS, Java, the languages which the core languages uses for developing web applications. And okay, what about the salary package for this position? Is 50 to 100,000 per year depending on experience. Wow, we are excited to review your application, learn about your experience and skills. So as you can see, that maybe it took around 10 to 15 seconds to create the whole job description. Once you create that, just copy and post it on these one of these websites: Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn, Google, or job.com, USA Jobs. So this is how you can create a professional looking job description. So that's it for today. If you like the video, if you enjoy the video, or you learned something new, please hit the like button, let me know. Thank you.